Imagine a normal coffee shop with the smell of coffee beans in the air. But at the counter, instead of a human, a primate or an ape is waiting to greet the customers in an apron. Sounds like a movie, does it not? This could have been the scene if we humans never set foot on the Earth. Welcome to Wow Factory, guys, and today's video will have you take a journey with me to an alternate universe. Sounds amazing, right? To see more such wow videos on your feed, all you have to do is subscribe to the Wow Factory to never ever miss an update. Our first stop in this journey is the obvious. If humans never evolved, like it or not, people, but the planet would have been a much better and greener place. Sure, we are thankful to evolution, but cutting down natural habitats does not exactly say thank you, right? Now, if you are a fan of films like Rise of the Planet of Apes, like me, then you might think that in the absence of humans, our next friendly cousin, the apes, will rule the Earth. Isn't that a tad bit narcissist? What do you think? What about other animals? Like the mighty lion or the huge elephant, for example. Well, most scientists think that in the absence of humans, no one creature will rule the Earth. There will be indefinite chaos, like scenes of Jurassic Park, for example. Wild animals would be running all over New York and LA instead of sky-high buildings and malls. Wouldn't that be a view? But in the end of it all, do you know who has the highest chance of winning the crown of the most intelligent and adaptable species of all? Nope, not rhinos or tigers or wolves. But bacteria. Shocking, right? Bacteria does not have a nervous system to get the intelligent tag, sure, but the ability to quickly adapt to changes and survive extreme volcanoes, ice ages, are pretty much a trait of bacteria. Even as I speak, tens and thousands are roaming over your body right now. Isn't that crazy, guys? And if this isn't proof enough, look at the virus causing havoc on the world right now. A fight with an intelligent bacteria is far worse than fighting a lion. All said and done, the absence of humans might turn out to be the worst, as not all animals have the intelligence to solve their own problems, and ultimately the world would be dominated by bacteria, viruses, and rats. Ew! Not a pretty picture at all. So we are back to the coffee shop, and it's your usual guy greeting you at the counter. Phew! What a relief! Check out more such awesome content on the channel about the long-lost Titanic or the many mysteries of the world. And like any intelligent human, tap on the like and share button so that your favorite channel doesn't get on the extinction list. I will be back in a jiffy with more videos on your clock. Bye-bye for now.